Reading practice number 6. Dear Mr. Dan, our advertising department has prepared a handy little booklet entitled Getting Along with Your Car. Period. The information in this booklet can save you money now and serious trouble later. Period. It will give you a better picture of what you can do to improve your car's performance. Period. It suggests various ways in which you can save gasoline. Period. The booklet contains 26 chapters filled with miscellaneous information about your car. Paragraph. Would you like to have a complimentary copy, Mr. Dan, ? If you would, you can get one by driving into your local national gas station and requesting it from the attendant. Paragraph. This is another service that the National Oil Company offers to help car owners obtain the greatest satisfaction from their cars and from our products. Period. Sincerely yours,